My name is Dr. Brian Kelly. I'm a vascular surgeon with HCA Florida Heart and Vascular Care. I'm board certified in vascular surgery and general surgery. Vascular surgery is a subspecialty of general surgery that deals with every blood vessel that isn't on the brain or on the heart. So we operate on everything from arteries in the neck to veins in the legs and everything in between. It's inclusive of a variety of different pathologies as well as a variety of different acuities, by which I mean to say we treat people who just want to live better in their day-to-day life, and we also treat people in life-saving situations. The uniqueness of the HCA Florida, East Florida program is how comprehensive it is. We integrate very smoothly with our cardiothoracic surgeons so that we're able to treat the aorta from the heart to all the way to the toes. Wherever it goes, we go. And we're able to do that in a way that isn't necessarily available in as much of a comprehensive way in other facilities in the area. One of the reasons why I chose vascular surgery and one of the reasons why I love vascular surgery is that we have a longitudinal relationship with the patient, which means unlike other surgical specialties where you treat the problem and then the patient goes away, we see patients long term. We develop very close relationships with our patients. Some of my patients I'm seeing every 3 months, some of them I'm seeing every 6 months, some of them I'm seeing every year. And so you develop a very close relationship where you know this person over time, over multiple years. And that allows you to really understand the person as well as the disease. And so that was a real benefit for vascular surgery for me.